In this video I'm gonna show you how to change captions text size for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to our settings, which is located in the top right corner of our screen, and then press OK. From here, scroll all the way down and find device preferences. Click OK on that, and from here scroll down to find the accessibility. Select captions and press OK. Now find the text size, click on it, and you'll be able to change it from very small to very large. And that's it, or any other between, like small, normal and large. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.